Vivo just dropped the X300 FE, and this phone honestly makes zero sense, but in a good way. Imagine holding a compact phone that somehow packs a 6500 milliamp hour battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 power, 90-watt fast charging, Zeiss cameras, wireless charging, and flagship performance all inside a tiny body. This thing is basically saying, why buy a huge brick phone anymore? The camera setup is crazy for content creators too. 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel telephoto with 3 zoom, and a selfie camera that actually looks flagship. But here's where the story gets interesting. People love the battery life and compact design, but a lot of reviewers are also asking, why is the FE more expensive than the regular X300? Even Reddit users are confused because the normal X300 actually beats it in some areas. Still, this phone is built for people who want flagship vibes, one-hand comfort, insane battery life, and cameras that make your Instagram look expensive. So is the Vivo X300 FE a scam? No, it's 100% legit and officially launched by Vivo. The real debate is whether the price makes sense. And honestly, this might be the weirdest flagship launch of the year. Would you buy this over an iPhone or Samsung? Comment below.